How to remove and clear labels from Google My Maps. So in this video today we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, and at the end if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Map, and you can see there is a view. Okay, so in order to delete your labels, just click on this three line, and here go to the saved, and under the label you can see your all saved labels. Okay, you can remove from here. Just go to the remove address, the label will be removed. Okay, or if you want to clear this label's name from your map, there is a then you can do one thing. Go to this layer option, go to the more, and come to the satellite and clear that, untick this label, then this label will be clear. Okay, if you're using the default map, then this label will be still there, because there is this option will be not applicable for this view. Okay, so if you want to clear labels, then you need to use this satellite map and unclear it, untick this label, then this label will be untick. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Subscribe me. Thank you for watching.